I'm gonna show you what I have in my backpack. Although school hasn't started yet, I have been thinking about this all summer. I actually haven't, but I do know what I'm gonna take to school. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe because we're literally less than 100 away from 7,500 subscribers, which is just crazy. Like I just can't. Also, like this video, not just emotionally. Now we talk about my hair. It is so much shorter. Also next week I'm gonna make it a lot darker. So this is the last video where I am kind of blonde. Anyways, you're here for my backpack, so let's get into it. So this is the backpack that I have. I have the Fjallraven Kanken. I know I'm not saying it right, I don't really care. And it's in a color peach pink, which I've wanted for the longest time. Kanken backpack in the color peach pink, and it's just the classic model, I think. So I'm gonna start with the like little front pocket right here. It doesn't have too many things, but it has gum, obviously, because we need gum on school. Like, I think that's such an essential. And I have a portable charger, which says I have superpower, which I kind of hate. And earphones, like that is everything that's in my front pocket. I always take a lot of things to school. I literally use a paper and a pen, and that's it. I'm just gonna take everything out the way that I am seeing it. There's no specific order, which I'm so sorry about. But anyways, the first thing I see is water, because water is so important. I feel like on school I just drink water because I get bored. So next, glasses. I need my glasses. I'm super blind. My glasses are currently not in a great state. They haven't been doing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
See? They haven't been doing well recently. This is me with glasses, which I hate. I don't like glasses. But my glasses are not in a good state right now, so I should probably get them fixed. So next, my keys. I don't know if I'm gonna take my scooter to college because I'm actually gonna be living like, I don't know, like an hour and a half away from where I live right now. So on the weekends, I'll probably go home, and I don't know if I want my scooter here or if I want it in the town that I'm moving to, because I feel like where I live right now is bigger, so I probably will use it more here. But yeah, if I take it, then I'd have these keys as well, and if not, then I'll only have my house keys. Yeah, keys. I always get so distracted while talking, it's so annoying. So next, a little body mist from Pink, and it smells so good. It feels so clean and fresh, apple and lily. It does smell really good. Like crazy. So next, obviously my phone. I need this thing in my life and just everywhere I go. And I got like this cute little case, and it says Makeup Girl 21 down here in the corner, which a brand called Henogram actually sent me. They sent me 2 cases, and this one is super cute because it's marble, and then it says Makeup Girl 21 down here, and this one says Femi in like white. It's really cute. You can't really see this one though, but they are so cute. I'm not sponsored. They were just really nice to send me these cases, and they did give me a discount code for you guys. So if you want to get yourself one of these cases, you can go to henogram.com, and if you use the code FEM at checkout, you will have a 15% discount order. And if you use the code FEM at checkout, you will get 15% off and like free shipping, I'm pretty sure. So make sure to go check them out because they're really cute, and you can like personalize them and put your name on it. So next I have my wallet, because on my school you can go get breakfast and lunch, and there's like a cafeteria with like food, obviously. Obviously there's also like a store with like school supplies and all that. So I need to take my wallet also because like my ID and stuff is in here. See, I get off the subject so easily. So next I have these little paper clips, and they are like clothing hangers. I think they're really adorable. I got them like a long time ago. So next I have like this little beauty bag, and it says Benefit because it's from Benefit. It's so adorable. It's like a little shell, and then it has like a holographic pattern on it. It's really cute. And then when you open it, I have a lot of like beauty products inside. I have a deodorant. I have 2 hair ties because, you know, girls need that, and boys maybe as well, I don't know. And then I have a lip balm, which is from Pink, which smells so good. This is like my favorite smelling lip balm like I've ever smelled. Like, I'm not even kidding. I also have this EOS hand balm. I also have a hand sanitizer. Next, from Clean and Clear, I have these oil absorbing sheets, which save me because I do have oily skin. And then I also have like a makeup remover thing just in case, I don't know. It is from the brand LA Fresh. And next we have a tampon because, you know, I'm a girl and girls have periods, so we need those things in our school bag just in case our body decides to surprise us. So next, my pencil case, which is so cute. It has cactuses all over it, and then on the back it says "Stay away from me," which I think is such a mood. Oh, and I also have this like pink keychain. This is like the dog of pink. It actually used to be part of the lip balm, but I took it off because I couldn't really use my lip balm as a keychain. I thought it was weird. So I put it on my pencil case, which I think is so cute. So inside I just have a bunch of pens and stuff. So I have this pen, which is just pastel pink, and then I also have my two favorite highlighters. I use this so much. I got all 6 of the pastel highlighters from Stabilo, but I only have these in my pencil case. So then I have a normal pencil. This is from Zoella, from her like pencil collection that I don't know if she still sells it. It's pretty old, and it says "Yours truly" and then the Z from Zoella on top. And then I have this pen, which is the Micron 01, which is the perfect pen for bullet journals and stuff. And then there's also some sticky notes in here that are marble. I also have a pencil sharpener and an eraser, which is so handy and such a childhood throwback. And I also have these big pens, which are just the normal ones, but they're cooler because they're gold and silver. And I also have the Pilot gel pens in gold and black. And like, this is my favorite pen. I use this on everything. This is just, I can't live without this pen. That is everything in my pencil case. So next I have my planner, which I've also shown in my school supplies haul because it's new, obviously. It's super cute. So basically this is like the monthly overview, and then this is the weekly overview. It's like a binder, so you can take the pages out, and I'm super obsessed with this. I use my planner literally every day. Like, I cannot get organized without my planner. So next I have my YouTube planner, which I have been using for the longest time. It is so full. These are all the pages I have used, and it's like the first YouTube planner notebook that I will finish because I always like plan 2 videos and then I just go to different notebooks. So next I have my binder, which I've also talked about in my school supplies haul. I've already explained what this means. If you want to know what it means, it's in Spanish. Go to my school supplies haul. It's just super cute. It has pastel blue sushi print on there, and then it just has a bunch of papers. So I'm really excited to use this. And then last but definitely not least is like in the back pocket here I have my laptop because I am studying, well, I'm gonna be studying design, so we obviously have a bunch of programs on our computers that we are gonna have to use. So I'm gonna be taking my laptop to school, which is a first. Like, I've never taken my laptop to school, and that is everything in here. It is super empty right now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and like I said before, subscribe. That would mean the whole entire world to me. Also, I am running out of back to school video ideas, so if you have any requests, definitely either leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I was thinking like maybe my school makeup routine. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day or week or morning or night, or just a great life, and I will see you next week. Bye! 20 minutes of footage? What is gonna take long to edit?